Hello guys, welcome to our lesson 3 today. Our lesson objectives, what we are likely to gain from this lesson is we'll be able to identify the various input devices of a computer, and number 2, we'll be able to identify the various functions of the input devices. So before we start our today's class, we want to do a recap of our last lesson. For those who are able to access the PowerPoint narration, I'm sure you saw what we were doing. We were learning about a CPU. So today I want to show you the CPU first before we proceed to the next class. So if you have a desktop like this one, our CPU is inside our it's inside here, so we can see it. I want us to see it clearly. Now this is the CPU. This is the CPU that we are talking about, which is the memory of the computer. It stores the memory. All the information that we are typing or keying into our computer is stored in this memory. We also talked about the random access. The random access is this one. Let me try to remove it so that you can be able to see it from where you are, so that when you're going to open your computer, you'll be able to know which one is the random access or the RAM. So this is the random access. We call it the RAM. It's inside it helps the CPU in its functions. So usually it's placed inside here to help the computer keep its memory. So this is the CPU that we were talking about in the other class, and I believe so far we know what we were talking about. Now return my random access back to my computer so that it doesn't have to get dust. Thank you. Now we can proceed to today's class. So today's class we are supposed to look at the input devices, and we say the input devices are those things that are connected to the computer that are helping us to enter data into our computer. So in the input devices, we have various input devices that we use in our computer. We have the keyboard. This is the keyboard. For those who have never come across it, this is our keyboard. It looks like this. We are going to talk about it in details. We are going to talk about the mouse, and this is our mouse. For those who have not come across it, we have this one. We have various types. We have another one here. So we have various variety of mouse. We have, and this is our monitor. This is our monitor. So for those who have not come across it, this is the monitor that we are talking about. We have other things that are not here for the input devices. We have something we call the joystick. We have something we call the light pen. We have a variety of them. And for those who have laptops, the keyboard for the laptop looks like this. This is the keyboard for the laptop. For those who have laptops, who are using laptops, this is the keyboard for the laptop. So we have other input devices that we're going to look into. So let me just get them first. But I will be sending you the notes. You'll be able to see the pictures because I don't have them here practically. You'll be able to see the pictures in your notes.